shampooin na to. Paano mo malilin ako? I feel good. And I knew that I would. Hey! Oh, I feel good. And I knew that I would. Oh, so good. So good. I've got you. Ito, unang picture, last na lalapit ako, lumalaya. Ah, you like me, ha? You like me? Come on, baby, kiss me, kiss me. Aba, ako magalit na tahong na yan. Hey, oh, and I hold you in my arms. The kind of a love short to memory when I hold you in my arms. It's kind of love do you know home and I feel it. And I knew that I would. Oh, I feel good. And I knew that I would. Oh, so good. So good. I got you. So good. So good. I got you. So good. So good. Thank you. Thank you. Goodbye. I'd like to say thank you to the nasaan na yung Huwarang Pilipina, modelo ng Huwarang Pilipina na si Maria. The Honorable. Lintik na, ha?
Patay! Patay!
Kahapon, gumaganyan-ganyan ka. Ngayon, Maria Clara. Are we giving away prizes? I would like to get some a few of you here on stage about. Come on. It's okay. Come on. Okay, from all races, let's do a United Nations number. Yan, ito. Si ano, taga-Ongpin.
Pogi mo doon!
Hindi ka nito, Ongpin. Okay, come on. Let's have fun. Mambo tayo, mambo. Okay, kanina kasi, I saw everyone was so excited with the dancing. You love to dance? Yeah, okay, yeah. What's your name? Don. Tagalog ka ba? Oo. Tagalog naman pala ito eh. Akala ko naman na hindi nakakapag-Tagalog. Diyos ko talagang. Saka dito para makakapal din ang mukha ng mga tao, no? Hindi mo pa niyayaya, panigan ng panigan. Don, taga saan ka sa Pilipinas? Bulacan! Okay, anybody here who's also from Bulacan? Okay. You're from Bulacan. The three of you? You're from... Kanya, taka-Bulacan pala yun. Bulacan. Ano ba mapagmamalaki natin sa Bulacan? Para magyabang naman ako sa kanila. Mainit. Ano pa? Magaling magtagalog mga tao. Ano ba mapagmamalaki mo sa Bulacan? Chicharon! Pork scratching. Suka. Vinegar. Okay, how old are you, Don? 15. Okay. When was the last time and first time? Okay, the first time, Don.
Secret na yun.
Hindi! Ito, tayo lang naman dito. Is that a secret? It's the most ordinary thing that we can talk. Oh, hi. You from Bulacan? No, where are you from? Zamboanga? Zamboanga pala ito? Oh, Chabacano.
I don't speak Filipino.
But you're from Zamboanga.
No, my mom is.
Your mom, where's your mom? She's not here. She's in Zamboanga.
She's in Zamboanga. She's longer.
Okay, maniwanagan tayo sa lahat mga din mga taga Zamboanga. Ayun. O, sige, we'll do the mambo, ha? Okay. The best pose. Oh, there you are! I was talking to that guy over there. I thought he was playing my music. I'll give you a good massage later, ha? Filipino massage. You call that ispakol. That is spa with jakol. Aba, mana nga. What is jakol? Why do you know what jakol is? Do you explain to the people here what that is?
The blade drop!
I don't do that. Si Manang and then she prays. Ask for forgiveness and chuckle. Okay. Okay. Oh, hello young lady. What's your name? Okay then, you're from Zamboanga? Okay, concentrate one moment. What is this thing they call the mambo? That everybody's raving about? Well, baby, gotta learn to do the mambo, or else he's gonna turn away this time. I gotta learn to do the mambo. I gotta learn to switch around. Come on, baby. I gotta learn to do the mambo. As my baby gets me down. Okay. Having a while to a party. My baby made me look like a square. But all you got to do is mambo. I gotta learn to do the mambo. I gotta learn to switch around. I gotta learn to do the mambo. That's a baby gets it. 1, 2, 3, 4, cut! My goodness, you're fantastic. Let me kiss you. Gums to gums.
Style white, keep over that.
Kaya pala maikli yung kable ko, ha? Nalaplapin ko ito, eh. Pag ganito yung mic dito, parang yung sa Rex Humbard Ministry. Okay. You have to give us a post. The best post will get a prize. May meeting pa ito mga taga Zamboanga, oh. Ay, parang ginagahasa. Ay, sorry young lady. So, you want to join the contest? Okay. This is a very prestigious contest and we're launching it here in, ano pangalan ito, lugar ito? Milton Keys. Tama ba? Okay. You're nervous? Yeah, okay. Okay, everybody quiet. The lady is nervous. Let's pray. Naloloka yata siya. Okay. You have to give me a good pose when the music stops, okay? Can you do that for me? Okay. Your mom, your dad, they're here? They gave you permission to... No. Because I have a very short stay visa. Okay? I may get in trouble with the embassy. Okay, you ready? Maria, sagot mo ako, ha? Maria! Okay. Music! No, from the top. From the top, okay. Don, you ready? Okay, you have to also fix your... Because it's very warm. Like this. May bata naman, siningitan ng bata, nahiya tuloy ako. Eh, you, it's a... Okay, ready? Now, we're going to have a competition. Who's going to give the best pose? No, the short one, number 8. Number 8. Okay? Like this, like this. I gotta learn to do the mambo. I gotta learn to switch around. Oh, I gotta learn to... 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's my baby gets a 1, 2, 3, 4 pose. Oh yeah, that's where you stop. Okay, okay, that's a practice. One more time, we practice again. We practice again. My God, oh my God. Look, they're all crazy about you. Woo! That's the most embarrassing thing I've ever seen. See? Are you okay? Sino ba ito? Tamo, oh, I love you, I love you. Ikaw, ano yung pose mo sa ending? Ha? You ready? Okay, ready. Are you ready with your pose? Yeah. You ready with your pose? Okay, we'll do it here. Ready? Mutulo si Pong ko. Ready, ma? I gotta learn to do the left. I gotta learn to switch your right. Left. I gotta learn to do the front. Or as my baby gets a 1, 2, 3, 4 pose. Ano naman yan? Wala naman kakwenta-kwenta yung pose mo. What kind of pose is that? Okay, what's your pose?